In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot text messaging for sales and marketing. First, let's get started by heading over to the homepage of HubSpot. If you're unfamiliar, HubSpot is a robust platform offering a wide array of tools tailored specifically for business needs. Once there, you'll need to log in. Logging in is a straightforward process for anyone with existing credentials. For new users, take a moment to create an account. It's quick and painless. After successfully logging in, you should find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This is your central hub where a multitude of tools and insights are available to you. It's well worth becoming familiar with this area, as it's where you'll often return. Now direct your attention to the Marketing tab within the dashboard. A quick click here will unfold a host of options pivotal for your marketing strategies. This is where the action happens if you're looking to explore new ways to connect with your audience. Next, we focus on our specific interest for today, SMS. This section is integral to widening your outreach efforts. SMS marketing allows you to directly engage with clients via text messages, a method proven to be effective due to its immediacy and personal nature. Once you've clicked on SMS, if you're new to this service, you might find a prompt to talk to sales. This is the point at which you can engage with the HubSpot team to understand more about the capabilities and potential of integrating SMS marketing into your broader strategy. Don't hesitate to reach out, as their team is well equipped to guide you through any inquiries you might have, whether you're just starting or looking to scale up. As you navigate through the platform, pay attention to any highlighted sections. These are often where HubSpot draws your attention to new features or suggestions, which can be beneficial in maximizing the platform's tools. Throughout this process, remember that each step is designed to enhance your ability to communicate effectively with your audience. Leveraging SMS for marketing and sales is about creating direct, meaningful interactions that can translate into retained customers and boosted sales. Hopefully, this quick walkthrough helps you get a good grip on using HubSpot for SMS marketing. Remember that diving into new marketing strategies can be a significant step towards expanding your business reach and enhance customer loyalty. Stay curious, keep exploring the platform's tools, and don't shy away from experimenting with the offerings. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you feel more confident in beginning or refining your SMS marketing journey with HubSpot. If you have any further questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to let us know. Happy marketing!